Welcome to CleanMail Pro, your solution for email validation in Dynamics 365. Start by installing the app trial from Microsoft App Source. Perform necessary steps. After installing, navigate to the solutions and open the CleanMail Pro solution. Press the Click Here link on the configuration page. Then click Subscribe. Fill in your details and check your inbox for a confirmation. This or configuration for the license. Once set up, CleanMail Pro will notify you whether email addresses entered are valid or invalid directly on the selected forms. You can check valid and invalid emails by setting View Contact by Email Status and Lead by Email Status. Visit the CleanMail Pro dashboard to view a summary of valid and invalid emails, along with your remaining credits and license expiry date.